right, guys, so we let you guys hear it before with the mufflers on it. I'll show you guys the mufflers in a minute. 2009 G8, really beautiful car. It's got a mild stage 2 cam in it. It's really built. Got long tube headers, then 3-inch system all the way back. It was a X4 system, as you guys can see, right there, with a built-in X-pipe, built-in resonators, all 3-inch. Then what we did is we cut the rear mufflers off because it wasn't loud enough. And we put 3-inch pipe in its place there. And right there, as you guys can see, we zip tied the wires up there. We're on those mufflers because those valves stopped working on them. And he's like, I'm done with these mufflers. I want it louder, which I don't blame him. We always like it louder. But there's that system that was on it, the 2 mufflers right there and the quad tips. And we put new quad tips on it. It looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. They're 3.5-inch quad tips. There and there. And a rear muffler delete. There it is. That's what it looks like, guys. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Wow. It sounds phenomenal now. Your sound decibels? You can hear that cab, man. That sounds so sick. It rattles the ears, guys. It's so loud. Wow. Look at that cab. Oh, that's sick. You can't stand right behind it. It's too loud. And shout out to him. If you guys want to follow his build, it's right there. So go to his Instagram and follow him. We appreciate him bringing it in. Let you guys see under the hood. Look at this beast. Give me gas. Cold air intake, cam. It's just really cleanly done. I love it. Long tube headers, high flow cats. Look at that. Beautiful stance. That's beautiful. Pontiac G8, rear muffler delete, high flow cats, headers, stage 2 cam. That's a bunch of stuff done to it. And now the exhaust is done.